The best potato salad recipe, and this is one that I've been making for donkey's years and people love. So what are you going to need? Well, first off, you're going to need to boil some potatoes, and that's around 750 grams of Jersey Royals with a sprig of mint and some salt. You want to cook them for about 25 minutes until they are soft and tender. Now, to make the lovely sauce, it's 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, along with 2 tablespoons of creme fraiche, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, sprinkling of sea salt and of course black pepper. And then you want to give that a little stir around. Then you want to add in 4 spring onions and a handful of chopped fresh chives. This really gives it taste and flavour. Mix that round, and then you just want to pop it in the fridge until your potatoes are cooked through. Then once your potatoes have cooked, just drain them and obviously just let them cool down for a moment. Now you can drizzle the sauce over or you can pour it all in. I like to pour it all in because I had this with some gorgeous crispy chicken tenders and I enjoyed dipping that into the sauce too. And if you want the full written recipe, you know where to go. You can go to my website to get all the details.